Parkview. Here we have Parkview Samaritan Level 2 Trauma Center helicopter getting ready to take off from St Vincent's Hospital in Indianapolis. Parkview Samaritan is actually out of Fort Wayne, Indiana, for those who may not know. I just asked the crew, they were actually doing a drop off here at St Vincent, so they're literally doing their final checks to take off, and I have permission to stand literally, I would say, about 20 yards away. So this is about to be awesome, boys. The pilot has his helmet, co-pilot has his now on. They're strapping their helmets on. And ladies and gentlemen, let me say this right now, this is gonna be awesome. If you hear me screaming, yeah, this might get a little entertaining. Literally. And then you have St. Vincent's critical care transport ambulance just leaving from taking them over here to the helipad. So things are about to get awesome up in here. Lights are on, which means they've started flipping switches. There goes the engine. Rotors are going. Now I am putting my head down, so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to get hit by debris. I will say, damn, the breeze feels good from that thing. The juke bomb! Yeah, this is awesome. Thor should be strutting any second on the pilot and co-pilot. Pilot just got his. Co-pilot strutting his. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in heaven right now. Even better if the flight crew said I could take this video. So they said they're going to go that way. And here we go. I can tell by the noise it's pulling up. Oh yeah!